this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your search history here on TikTok. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up TikTok and going to your profile. So once you're on your profile, it's going to look something like this. You just need to tap the three lines up in the top right. And it's going to pull over a side menu where you need to hit settings and privacy just like so. This is then going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down a little bit on here and what you're looking for is the activity center, which is under content and display. Go ahead and select activity center. It's then going to redirect you to a page that looks like this where you need to hit search history. And this is where you can go ahead and search for whatever your search history might be. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you want to clear it, you just have to hit select and then choose whatever you're trying to clear. For example, hit delete and you're good to go. But you can also hit select all search history, delete all, delete, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.